You're very matured and you know what you're doing. So, good luck and God bless you.
Thank you, Miss Brie. Tapos sabi niya na mag-law school ka. So sabi ko, sige maglo-law school ako if papayagan mo ako mag-run as counselor. And then doon na nag-start. Nung nag-run na ako in 2016, I lost the elections in 2016. But it brought me to parang another world in a sense na mas nakita ko yung calling for public service. I grew up with a broken family, no? So,
Okay.
yes. So, I remember one time when I was in college na sobrang sakit ng puson ko. Like, sinugod ako sa hospital. And then, it was my friend's mom na nagsugod sa akin sa hospital because I didn't have anybody. So, ang problema hindi nauubos, napapalitan lang. The problem will solve itself.